This video is part 1 of 2 general introduction videos to Syriaca.org, the Syriac Reference Portal. Syriaca.org is a digital project for the study of Syriac literature, culture, and history. Syriaca.org has published multiple digital reference works. This video describes some of their common features and guides users on how to navigate the different reference works, also called modules, from the Syriaca.org homepage, shown here. In addition to this video, users are encouraged to watch Part 2 as well as specific videos for each module. Each module for Syriaca.org is organized around a single category of historical analysis. These categories are places, such as those described in the Syriac Gazetteer, persons, which are described in the Syriac Biographical Dictionary. In addition, subcategories of persons are described in subvolumes of that dictionary. Primary source texts, such as in the subcase of hagiography, bibliographic items, as well as descriptive keywords, manuscripts, and historical artifacts. Reference works covering the first of these 4 conceptual categories, that is, places, persons, works, and bibliography, are published and available here. Others are under development. While it is possible to search all of Syriaca.org at one time, from the homepage via this search box, users may find it more convenient to start with the corresponding module relevant to their topic. For example, users interested in researching a particular place might begin their search with the Syriac Gazetteer. Each module can be opened from the homepage or through its specific URL available at the top of the page. Within each module, entries can be accessed through the top menu bar in 2 ways. First, users can use the Browse button to access an alphabetical table of contents. In addition, users can use a search function, shown here in this box, to search all of the module. Let's look at the Browse. Multiple languages and scripts are available for Browse. An English or Romanized Syriac form is available here. Forms in Syriac script are here, and index in Arabic is here. It is important to note that while an English or Romanized name form is required for all entries, not all entries will have Syriac script forms. For example, here, under P, is an entry for Paderborn, Germany, for which the Syriac Gazetteer does not yet have a Syriac form. Users are always invited to contribute new name forms or other data to help Syriaca.org grow. It's easy to switch between modules using this drop-down menu available on every page. Clicking directly on the menu will take you to the Syriaca.org homepage, or selecting the drop-down menu will allow you to access the separate modules and their subvolumes. For example, the Syriac Gazetteer, the Syriac Biographical Dictionary, various subvolumes of the Syriac Biographical Dictionary, and the Bibliotheca Hagiographica. In addition, the works cited and documentation. Let's select the Syriac Biographical Dictionary here. Besides an alphabetical browse, which we can select here, or select to alphabetically browse either of the subvolumes, selecting the top will browse all volumes of the Syriac Biographical Dictionary at once. Besides the alphabetical browse, other types of browse are available, such as by type, by date, or a browse by map. It should be noted that at present, only a small portion of entries appear on the map. The Syriac Gazetteer includes many places which are not yet located or are even ultimately unlocatable. For example, it's unlikely that the Gazetteer will ever contain coordinates for the Garden of Eden. Most users will find that the search box is a more efficient way than the alphabetical browse to find an entry. For example, let's search for persons, because we're in the Syriac Biographical Dictionary, associated in some way with the city of Ephesus. In the search results, we can see that we are returned persons who have Ephesus either in their name, or perhaps because Ephesus is mentioned somewhere else in the entry. In addition to this simple keyword search, on every page, a gearbox allows for an advanced search function. The advanced search options vary based on the type and the module. For example, here, There are several ways that one can limit a search for a particular type of person or with a particular trait or attribute. A separate user video explains advanced search techniques. One final note, in every module you can find further information about how to use the module from the documentation choice in the drop-down menu, located here at the bottom. Answers to frequent questions and additional videos are also available here. This concludes our demonstration of how to navigate the various modules of Syriaca.org. Users are encouraged to consult Part 2 for further general introduction and also to consult videos for the specific modules. For those looking to reuse any part of this video, please know it's freely available for reuse under the Creative Commons Attribution License. Attribution and copyright information follow. Specifically, this video is copyright David Michelson, 2017, and released under a Creative Commons CC BY Attribution 4.0 International License. Screenshots are copyright Syriaca.org and the Syriaca.org contributors, and also reused here under the Creative Commons CC BY license. Please reuse.